everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Sephora Hourglass. Unlocked Soft Matte Lipstick. This price is $38. An innovative primer-infused lipstick that envelops lips in rich color for a soft matte finish that lasts all day. Color: Magnolia 342 Pink Beige. Apply lipstick directly from the bullet. Working from the center outward, press lips together and apply more if desired. Color: Lush 360 Warm Brick Red. Color: Current 362 Deep Berry. Free of parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and sulfates SLS. And Sulfate is also gluten-free and cruelty-free. Color: Poppy 346 Peachy Pink. This collection features Red 0A True Red Formulated, with an exclusive vegan replacement for carmine, the industry standard red pigment. Color: Sparrow 350 Neutral Deep Rose. Color: Foxglove 356 Berry Rose. Color: Red Zero Red. Color: Tulip 344 Neutral Cool Pink. Hourglass donates 5% of net profits from each unlocked purchase to the NHRP, an organization working to secure. Color: Zinnia 358 Red Orange. Color: Tiger Lily 354 Soft Coral. In a U.S. consumer study of 30 participants. Color: Peony 348 Warm Beige. 97% said the product is easy to apply and comfortable on lips. Color: Orchid 352 Deep Brown. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.